here are part 3 or collection, color changer need. And today the part 3 on the part 2 I say I'm gonna trading letter frog or the letter dinosaur milk cheese. So yeah. So that's on my fidget. I open on part 1 or just part 2. Okay. Wow, there's so much thing, guys. There's so much thing. So, okay. First thing I trade is little frog or dinosaur. I like dinosaur and just call it dinosaur. Okay. So let me second trade. Gives me trading some. Okay, I'm gonna sit here and trade. It gives me trading some a frog. Going 1, going twice, going 3 times, 1 more time. Nobody. She went to offer. Oh, okay. What do you offer? Just put your offer here. Okay, I'm gonna sit here and I clicked her. I can see her offer. I just sit here and I can see your offer. Okay? Okay, guys? Okay, you just say okay. And I do it. Let me try to put my fidget stay. Okay, what's your offer? My offer is some marshmallow. Will you accept? She really under. But I mean, yes, I just accept. Yes, I accept. Yes. Accept. Okay, here you are. Dinosaur. And I got some marshmallow. Okay, long. Okay, so I think I'm gonna trace a blue thing. Okay, trading some these, gonna trace the 3 times. Alright, trading some these. Well, somebody want to offer trading some. Me, I want it. Okay, what's your offer? My offer is, hold on. I can see your offer. Mason, I stay here, okay? Okay, what's your offer now? So my offer is 2 the collection purple. Oh, she offered 2 collection purple. So I got one. Just 2 more things out of her. Can you add 2 more things? Okay, I add some a putty and some pop-ups, another pop-ups. Okay. Well, I accept. Here mine. Okay, come back for part 4.